Ho Champion, Chef George here from the George's Live Cooking Show. In today's episode, I'm gonna share with you how to make an amazing vegan, it's gonna be vegan, plant-based, gluten-free, and on top of that, it's gonna be delicious taco using Beyond Beef, right? We're gonna be using some Beyond Beef. We're gonna be using some Jicama wraps, and those Jicama wraps are gluten-free. They're vegan. Everything here is plant-based. We're gonna be making a delicious guacamole with some radishes, fresh radishes, some heirloom tomato, a little bit of some parsley. We also have some baby spinach, organic baby spinach that we're gonna also put in the taco. We're also got a bunch of seasonings here. So we have, can you tell them what this is?
Ghost pepper powder looks like.
No, you lose. Try again.
Paprika?
Wrong answer. Try again.
Chili powder?
Ding, 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 ding. We have a winner. We have chili powder here. We also have, what's this here?
Nutritional yeast.
Nutritional yeast. Awesome. We also have here some garlic powder, onion powder. We have some pink sea salt and black pepper. We also have some dried onion. We also have some of Georgie's, just a dab of Georgie's organic smoked habanero powder, which is gonna be hot, which is good. So I want you guys to stay focused. And for those of you that are watching this for the first time, we want to thank you. For those of you that are coming back, make sure you hit the link below, subscribe, let the world know, because we're impacting and changing lives one taste bud at a time with the world famous George's all-purpose barbecue sauces, rubs, and amazing plant-based recipes. Here we go. Okay guys, so we're back. We got here, as you can see, we got the Beyond Meat all cooked. It was about 5 or 10 minutes. Make sure it's cooked all the way through. And so it was all seasoned up nice. And I'll leave at the bottom of the description, I'll leave the detailed amount of seasonings that we use. We have our guacamole and parsley, fresh parsley and radish. We have some baby spinach. We got the Jicama. We also have some Daiya cheese, which is a mozzarella shredded cheese. So we're gonna go ahead and make these up. See, they're nice and thin. All this is it's almost like a potato.
It's yam.
It's yam. We're gonna go ahead and make these up. 3 of these right here. My son's already sweating me for
8 of them.
8. So we'll go ahead and just put the meat on.
Yes, put the meat on. Yes.
You know what? I'm gonna get a better spoon because I want to be able to control this better. All right, I want to be able to control this better. All right. Go ahead and put them on like that. These gonna be delicious. This is completely plant-based, gluten-free, vegan, delicious. Put this on in here, like that. Okay. Then what we'll do is we'll take, and you can use any greens you want to use. I'm just using some fresh organic baby spinach. So you can take it, you can do a couple of things. You can just kind of break it up if you want, like this. Just kind of turn and twist it, like this. Just kind of turn and twist it. Or you can dice it up. It's totally up to you. But just for today, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of twist it up. Watch what I do, just twist it. Boop. See that? Just twist it up. Just twist it. Put that on like that. Twist that up like that. Bang, bang, bang. Now we go ahead and take some of the guacamole and put that on top. Fresh guacamole that we made. Put that on top. Nice, easy, fresh. Then what we go ahead and do is sprinkle a little cheese on. Vegan cheese on here. Like that. Put it on like that. Boom. Real simple. Real easy. It ain't hot no more. That was hot. Don't want to touch the other side though. Let me move this out the way so y'all can see this. All right, let me wash my hands real quick. You guys, I want you guys to really see this because this is going down delicious. As you can see that. See that there? Y'all can see that? Absolutely delicious. There it is. And you can make it as many as you want. It's real nice and easy like. So guys, with that said, make sure you hit the link below, subscribe, let the world know we're impacting and changing lives one taste bite at a time with the world famous George's all-purpose barbecue sauces, rubs, and amazing plant-based recipes. I'm Chef George. Until next time, you guys are awesome. God bless. And make sure you share this video. Make sure you guys try this out. And let me know what you like best about it, how it turns out for you. Because this is absolutely phenomenal. All right, guys? So God bless you guys. Till next time, Chef George is